Hi guys, let's dive into a few trades and a few markets that are setting up. It's been a cracking couple of days. £10,703 banked these first two trading days of the week. Combination of swing trades, combination of those and day trades have really paid off well. Short in the stock markets. I'll show you exactly what I was looking at in 1 second on the strategy. NASDAQ short. Multiple trades in the FTSE, DAX as well. DAX got out of a few long trades that I've been in for a little while, managed to bank some profit on those on the swing trades. And so overall, day trades and swing trades coming in nicely with some decent profit. Okay, so first things first, I want to show you the gold market here, because it's at a really interesting place. I want to delete all this for you right here. I just want to show you the daily chart of gold. I'm not suggesting or advising you to trade gold or whatsoever. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be doing these next couple of days. Now, when you're looking at patterns and you're looking at trends, okay, I like to look at and see where I am in a trend, okay? So the market tends to go in 5 waves. Now, you can see I'm just drawing 5 waves up here. All right. Now, after 5 waves, you get an ABC correction, an Elliott wave. All right. So this is wave 2 pullback. I could take it from here to here if I wanted to. It really doesn't matter. What I'm trying to say here is this is a double zigzag type pattern. Okay, and then we go into wave 3, which is the strongest wave. It never looks back, guys. Have you ever been in a trade where you're on the wrong side of it and it just keeps on going higher and you're shorting it, or the other way around where you're going long, and it keeps dropping? Well, gold is a wave 3 move to the upside here. Now, the question is that I'm looking for, because I'm going to be looking to trade this tomorrow, is this an A, B, C? If the next move is C, down, it's looking like it wants to be with the loss of momentum here, then the next move is going to be down tomorrow, being Wednesday, which then should get down to around 2,808 again, maybe down to the 27, late $2,771. Okay, so I'm just looking at this area here just to see whether we go. Now, I'm going to enter this trade tomorrow if we get this set up. So I'm down here now on the 1 hour time frame. So this is going to be a day trade for tomorrow. Now, if we get something like this where it's all pointing down, tomorrow, if we're pointing down on the momentum indicator, then I'll short it. I think we get down, way down to this support area down here, 2,830 zone. So I'm looking for a little bit of a swift move. Now, it might happen quite quickly because everyone's long gold. There's a lot of traders that are long. There's a lot of sentiment bullish all the time in gold. It looks great. Now, I think what's going to happen if that is an ABC, then I think we rotate and go back up when we get a new green, and then we go above 3,000. I think 3,000 is a psychological area. I think we could get above 3,000. But it's this move I'm looking for tomorrow. Now, if we turn green and fire green on momentum down here, then this is wave 5, okay? So then what I'm going to do, I'll extend that. I'll make that, if I can drag it over to here, and I'll drag this then, if it wants to let me, and I'll drag that up there, okay? That looks a lot better pattern. But with the red and the loss of momentum here, I'm worried that, not worried, I'm going to trade it. I'm just concerned for the bulls that this is that little ABC. All right, so down, up, down sort of pattern, and then a new bull market, a new wave long to the upside. All right, so that's what I'm looking at. Now let's look at the DAX. So the DAX is sort of a similar pattern. Okay, so we've had this move from here to here, down, and this is wave 3, isn't it? It's momentum, it flies higher, down on wave 4. Quite a shallow pullback here. You normally get the laws of alternation where this is a zigzag and this is simple, or this is a zigzag and this is simple. We don't seem to have any at the moment. So down, up. Now look, the angle, if I crunch this up here, look at the angle of the 2-wave divergence. Somebody said on YouTube the other day to me that one of the divergences was only 42 degrees. That's fine. Anything above 40 degrees, now that looks 40 degrees. All right, so if we turn red here, this could whoosh, guys, on DAX. All right, we could whoosh lower on DAX. So get ready. It's an interesting pattern where we are. I wouldn't want to be a bull holding this overnight. because we could see it. Now, if we just close right at the highs this Tuesday, then all bets are off. But if we close red today or even red on Wednesday, then this looks like it's going to go even further to the downside. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, because been in and out of this the last couple of days as well. You can see this high on the daily chart. Well, there's a high there and there's another high. That's a resistance. It's called a double top. It's called a double top drop, in fact. You got this lovely V pivot all the way back up to this area. Bulls can't get through the highs. You normally see a little bit of a spike through the highs, sucks all the breakout traders in, and then reverses. We didn't get that this time, but we've just sold off with momentum all the way down here, and we could see lower prices in the Dow Jones. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly looking vulnerable, guys, on the Dow. All right, and we're turning red here. It is only Tuesday. We have not confirmed. This is not a closed candlestick, but it is firing red already. We could be down at 40,381, and it could happen very quickly indeed. It's been a lovely bull market. We've done very well out of the long side, but now it's starting to just rotate a little bit, and it's a little bit vulnerable. We could see a decent sized drop. We've got to wait to see if this closes this week, and see how much of a sell-off this is. Now, if the price, the lower body, lower part of the candlestick, if it closes right down on the bottom of the range, that's really bearish trade signal. At the moment, it's performing quite normally, but if we really do stretch with a long candlestick and we start getting below this 41,700, this could drop quite a long way here. We shall see. We always got to wait when we're looking for trade setups, to wait for confirmation, which means confirmation means close of the candlestick. The close of the candlestick, depending on the time frame that you're trading. So if I was day trading on a 1 hour time frame, I would wait for a close of the 1 hour candlestick with a trade strategy to get into the trade. Because look, as live day traders, we're trading in real live markets. We've got to wait for confirmation, because it could change. Okay, so we want to wait for that closed candlestick to confirm the move, and then we get into the trade. Otherwise, it might not confirm as time goes by. All right, so looking at the Dow, interesting place to be here. We've been selling these markets the last couple of days, Monday and Tuesday. It's been great. Hope it helps, guys. I've just come back from a run. I'm looking sweaty. Sorry, I can't do all the makeup that most YouTube traders do, all the beautiful lights and all that stuff. I'm just trying to give you trading ideas and so on here. All right, hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.